Hey guys, today you're checking out stock number 301679, and this is a 2015 Ram 1500, and our color is gray. Let's take a look inside at some of our interior features that we've got on the unit. All right, so we got power locks, windows, mirrors with folding mirrors, power driver's seat with lumbar support. Got our interior and exterior lighting controls, power adjustable foot pedals. Steering wheel includes hands-free, cruise control settings. We are satellite radio ready. Got our dial shifter, push button ignition, 4x4 controls, dual and electronic climate control, trailer brake, traction control, heated and vented front seats, heated steering wheel feature, as well as parking assist. Also got our sunroof controls, and our interior color is black. Moving on to our rear passenger features, we've got power windows, a 60/40 split bench seat that folds up for some extra space. And onto our exterior, we've got our running boards. We've got 20-inch aftermarket rims, mud flaps, rear parking aid, a rear view camera, a soft tonneau cover, and a spray-on bed liner. There you go, guys. That's stock number 301679. You've just checked out this gray 2015 Ram 1500 crew cab. Thanks for watching.